So I'm currently running a 3D print shop that averages about $500 to $600 weekly. Now that's gross. After all my expenses, it's closer to $400, which is not bad. And I'm not complaining because I've had it open for less than a year. But I'm trying to look for something that's a little more passive. At first I thought 3D printing is pretty passive. I mean, you have a whole bunch of machines, they do the work for you. What do you have to do? Throw it in a box. Turns out a lot of work. For example, this is one of my products. Well, it's a piece of my products, which it looks pretty simple, but you have to take every little piece off, which is kind of annoying. You have to clean it up, put it together, and then you have to box it. You have to print out a label. You have to make sure that I thought I had a label here. Oh, print out a label. I always write a little thank you note, and it's involved. It's very involved. So I'm thinking, what if I start a print-on-demand shop? I know that print-on-demand is not hands-off. I know that it's very involved and there's a lot of things that you have to do with it. I want to try to find something that's a little more passive that I can do from my laptop and not be confined to this office where I'm surrounded by boxes and 3D filament and hear the humming. See, you hear it? Hear the humming of 3D printers all day. So join me on this 30-day adventure. Today is actually day 2. On day 1 yesterday, I went and started my Etsy shop, opened up a Printify account, made sure everything is connected, and ready to kind of figure out what my niche is gonna be, do some research, and start posting. So like I said, my goal is in 30 days to make at least one organic sale. And I know it sounds kind of dumb, but it's actually not that simple. It's not that easy to make a sale on print on demand because there's hundreds of thousands of products, and how do I stand out with my simple product? So join me. I would love to keep you guys posted. So if you're interested in something like this, click subscribe. I'm hoping to do quick updates and then have a 10-day video, a 15, a 30-day video, and so on. If this thing blows up, maybe, I'll continue making these videos. If you're interested in Etsy or small businesses in 3D printing or how you can start a 3D printing business, click subscribe. I would love to chat with you guys. I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.